Hey man, just here to party. We're heading north. We're headed northbound. I don't even know where I'm looking on this thing. We are northbound to work on this old Squarebody Chevrolet. Son of a buck. See you on the flip side, brother. All right. We're gonna clean up this frame a little bit. Episode 2, gang. Yeah, Spike Boys. We're gonna get all this frame clean. Waiting on some front suspension parts. Axles are in. Wheels are on. Gonna give this frame a cleaning.
Whoa! 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 Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up. All the way.
We're getting somewhere. A little before and after. Axles painted. Other side. Yeah, buddy. Alright, I haven't been filming anything. I've been feeling like shit is what I've been doing. Frame's painted. Frame is painted. Doing the fronts now. Freaking bogging deep. Shoot, man. Look at him looking at.
Damn!
Alright. Didn't film shit. So, back home now. I got the Squarebody grill with me. So, we're gonna go home and refurbish that, paint, and make that pretty. So, see you there. Alright. I'm so dialed in on getting things done that I already started. This was all red. This was red. You can see a bunch of red overspray everywhere. But the goal is I think this is, the white is also paint. Well, I know it's paint, but I think it's supposed to be chrome underneath. So we're gonna keep hitting this. I'm just so dialed on wanting to get things done with this truck that I forget to film. It's on me. It's on me. So let's do this thing. Boop.
We're gonna have a problem here.
And it goes.
I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up. Cause I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, 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 up. We're gonna have a problem here.
It's not bad. It's not bad. It's cleaning up. It's cleaning up. Again, who paints chrome? Interesting question. Who paints a gold Chevy emblem, brother? Anyways, we're gonna hit this with some Never Dull. All this chrome. Try to get this stuff back to life. And then I'm gonna respray the grill. Probably just silver. Thought about gloss black, but it'll look fine, just silvery. Gotta really clean it though. Mopar. Wham!
If you and your baby have a little falling out, call me up, sweet mama, and we'll go stepping out and we'll go honky tonkin', honey, baby.
All right. We're not getting the results that I want. See this chrome? See how it's got this ook in it? It's got this ook in it. So it was a lot better than it was. But what I think I'm gonna try is just hit it with some aluminum polish. 'Cause honestly, don't know. Give it a try. Give it a try.
Honkin', honky tonkin', we'll go honky tonkin' around this town.
All right, change of plans. Can't get this fuzz out of this, so going back to the original plan, gonna paint this section black to match the truck, or white. Let's go black. We're gonna go black on this. Then we're gonna respray this whole grill silver, because it's nasty. It's nasty. Leave this chrome. Tape these off, because if I already tried getting them off, they're just gonna snap. So, not worth it. Just tape it. Be done. Let this dry though. Give it a little sand and be done. You can do it! Okay. Now I'm changing my mind. Because I scuffed it. See, this is the before. I scuffed it. Now it looks like... Now it looks good. No gloss, but I'm going to try to hit it with a polish and see what it does. Run it, doggy. Alright, we're running this. Looks like it's brushed. I actually like it, so run it, doggy do, run it. Alright, we just hit a coat of this Ford. Yeah, Ford silver. It's a Ford silver. Honestly, probably as close as OEM as you can get. It looks like shit. Alright. I think it's better than it was though. Oh, that's good for it. We'll do one more coat and be done. The real question is do we go, good Lord. Hold on a minute. Do we go, spit it out, you fuck.
What? Bro, what are you talking about?
Do we leave the rustic gold Chevy emblem? Or do we paint it black? Where'd it go? Don't know if I'm in frame here. Do we leave it rustically gold? Kind of looks like shit. I think we should paint it black. Oh, we should paint it black.
Yeah, boy.
This could be ghetto. This is ghetto. But I'm trying it. See, I should have some. See if I spray a little bit. Oh. Put a little gold in there. A little finger dip. Is this ghetto? Or is this ghetto? I don't even think it's doing anything really. Yeah, actually, you know what? It is. It's actually pretty titties. This is like actually kind of dope. Late night copyright on the phone. It's 3 o'clock today and I'm drinking nothing but Nothing. That looks like shit. Actually, yeah, that looks like shit. Okay. Okay, it's gold. Actually, brother, I think I'm onto something. Alright, we're gonna let that set up for a minute.
Stop it. Get some help.
What you saw there was the drying method of the 21st century. So what we're going to try to do is, that's still hot. So, you know, I thought the patina looked cool, but there was a mark on here that bothered me. So now we're just going to, oh yeah. Now we're just going to try to patina it back up. Like, bro, call me the patina master. Call me the patina master. No, that's ghetto-ly sweet. Bingo. Done.
Hey bartender, I need me one of those long necks. Yeah man, that's good, about as good.
Dude. See, that thing's proper. Now the hard part is getting that flipped over. That looks, damn, bro.
It gets. Here's a 20 for the jukebox, crank it up please. And here's another 50, run a tab for me. And all that stew's not taken, girl, you can sit right there. Old Joe, take good care of you.
Dude. Killer. Came out killer. The patina badge, bro. Fuck with me. Come on. Post up a frickin' before and after right quick, bro.